So a quick on-site video, one of the strategies with a warehouse. When you have a huge warehouse, how do you protect? Even if it's empty, you want to protect your electrical room and also your pump room. So you have all your vital building information. So we're roughing this in, so just relax for a little bit, but we're just showcasing what we do for a client. We're gonna have a cell signal if they don't have internet. So a Verizon box, this is the IT, this is gonna be the access control. This is for the readers, the controllers. Mag locks, you will need to have external power supplies. So we're just roughing everything. Big thing about building security is you wanna make sure that you have your EMT. So a lot of times people are like, oh, you guys do EMT? Yes, we do. So when we're installing the readers, you wanna make sure they're secure. There's a couple different ways. We're putting locks in. These are not powered up or disengaged. So locks, readers, and this also helps with building management. If you have a couple contractors with a key, now you can just have your different swipe, or you can remotely open up the doors for service personnel. So again, with warehouses, facilities, you want to make sure that you're protected. So we're just roughing this in. It's not the finished product, but this is one of our solutions that we have. So we have a 48-foot scissor lift, two guys over there. We have some guys securing a gate over there. We have those guys over there. So again, this is how you secure your building and make sure it's safe. This building, I think, it was like 15 million to build, but I don't know what the value is.